फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल पे। और आज मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ गूगल का जो लोगो है उसको मैं डूडल फॉर्म में बनाऊँगा। वो जो बड़ा स्पेलिंग है GOOGLE उसको नहीं, एक सिंगल जी जो होता है ना उसे मैं बनाऊँगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं गूगल का लोगो। वैसे मैंने स्केचिंग प्रोसेस तो करके रख दिया है। इस स्केचिंग प्रोसेस को बनाने में लगभग मुझे 2.5 घंटा से ज़्यादा लग गया था। और अब इंकिंग प्रोसेस का समय है, तो चलिए इंकिंग प्रोसेस का मज़ा लीजिए।
Back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hurst. Give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road runner, keep my motor going.
Hey, hey, people feel away but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I bust a nut, she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Niggas let it show and tell, but all my niggas know me well. It was either chase a dream or go to jail, but none of us ain't
And we
going
going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow,
Yeah, not for real. Double live. Do it, die, you already know. Don't try. This at home, cause none of y'all really fucking with us.
तो दोस्तों, इंकिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो गया है। अब है बारी कलर करने का। अभी थोड़ा सा मुझे डाउट हो रहा है कि पता नहीं जो कलर मैं करूँगा, जैसे मान के चलिए कि अभी यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू 6 से 7 कैरेक्टर है जिसे मुझे रेड कलर में करना है, तो कहीं ये सारे के सारे कैरेक्टर मिक्स मत हो जाए। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे होता है। मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मैं कर लूँगा। तो चलिए इस कलरिंग प्रोसेस का भी मज़ा लीजिए।
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Slide around the city with my day one niggas. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1 niggas. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb with us. I'm a big time nigga, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother them. And I know that if I got it, I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it, they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preachin', I be living that. Taking trips round the globe, bringing game back. Touchdown hood, happy that I came back. Take a photo with my granny for the memories. And if it's for a good cause, I'm buying 10 of these. Seem like every change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Knee deep in the game and I'm still the same, nigga. Why you always hating? That's a damn shame, nigga. Gotta split the profits with the ones that came with you. All the homies share the vision, yeah, we got the same picture. You won't catch me in the club, I like to meditate. I be higher than a bird, I like to levitate. When I ask them how they doing, it ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get colder where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside.
तो दोस्तों फाइनली रेडी हो गया है गूगल का ये डूडल फॉर्म वाला लोगो। मुझे तो देख के अच्छा लग रहा है, पता नहीं आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा होगा। बाकी मैंने ये जो कॉर्नर एरिया है उसमें भी कुछ डूडल बना दिए थे क्योंकि खाली खाली नज़र आ रहा था। तो अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा, मेरा काम अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, इस वीडियो को लाइक करना और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि और भी नए लोगों को मैं डूडल फॉर्म में बनाऊं तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिएगा। और आपको ये लोगो कैसा लगा इसे भी आप कमेंट में लिखिएगा। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि कुछ और सुधार करें तो बताइएगा कि क्या करूं मैं आगे। मुझे जो भी लगा मैंने बना दिया। तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।
Back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again.